and a complete disregard for party directive. I expect Justin Kodu among the key actors within the party to take a decision on this. Well, it's a complete disregard.
They can't.
Unfortunately, they can't.
Yeah.
It is a ultimate.
Mame Mao Akwaba and Founder Ghana and Sam TVGH so Wafreme Adjoa searching. Ebusuafo Ora Kwame Adinkrah and Adinkrah omo e host a political talk show e wo Pure FM every morning bia na omo de ensem bia to dra omo e kire se eye NPP omo secretary Ora Justice Frimpong Kodua engina ne nanso na action wo be take against the Honorable Kennedy Adinkrah Ejapona onya ntem because party no entertain a woman no a party no ever since 2024 no a party no that so jinema na yetan so e dey akwakohye the next year mu a NPP for HS on ba be your candidate no eya ade a ebekọ etia NPP party ni papa enti no say NPP for mpenifo e wa asembia omo no Honorable Kennedy Adinkrah Japan enka nsem enka ntem ansa na eniama aginsem eden sem na ekoso enam so eye Ura Kwame Adinkrah and Adinkrah omo akembi Honorable Kennedy Adinkrah Japan ekopiem ewo mampon mekire mampon henia wanya ne baby call na eho na one NPP fu kodi enkomo na ensema Honorable Kennedy Adinkrah Japan editu jano personally me move video na me say enye Honorable don kasa na o preaching about peace among your friend saying candidate omo standing last election in Chim and I say among NPP party no na ensem way dey free him baby Honorable yeah the NPP party dey be yeti ensem Honorable Kennedy Adinkrah Japan e dey etudwa me wi am dey ensem a eye Ura Kwame Adinkrah and Adinkrah aka e dey actually NPP form penifo said they should stand on their feet to put Honorable Kennedy Adinkrah Japan to order anyasa ebia nkuku omo edi wo 2024 about no no ebesin de edomo enim nyeti nsem no esi ekọ isom kai no wantie awosesa wantie a mo baji mu jejereje eni aji jejereje oh campaign no ebeye de papa campaign ya yekoye enya tem didie ye pakuru ye badakuru ye nso ntire se abakosem wo ho a ye nkamu nokura emma nipa hu eno dia ye beka eno dia ye beka entibu nya botre na munya awrehwem se achia na mui ye sua bia afrim se wo hwe mahama appointment ya wan ye yi a da bia na meka se mo hwe party fuo
well, we thank you to by no mean
Obi a campaign na the sense amount for who say oye campaign we are e so san e pe kombi so e be ha o
ever has it
ever media enti media no so near officer about to bomb bi a abo no
sensationalizing no that better head
but all things be obi a be
very well. My zone so glaring as it used to be.
Honorable Kennedy Japan here no campaign as in your campaign.
And I make us
the party that
Obwa Nipano. Nakase politicians and then inside Nipano and Kasa. Get to know says Nipano ambition.
Everybody you declare. Yeah.
Can question him for so I saw the one as I for
NPP for no show.
Now show NPP for that was our cadets.
More flag Gunukumu when people do more college show that's campaign.
Or Mampong. And all this in same to you. Me the problem that me may have in here say Ken so far has been preaching unity. he's been preaching unity now for the sake of party unity. Okay, say Nancy they see about man. Okay, say that demo and KB and KDBC. But party
can be yeah.
Baby I dream a party now. Kasa the directive about on to say one will be on campaign until they are the green light. When you go and meet the party people and makes comments say. Party no, we don't have to recycle failed candidates. Asumesi Adinkrah and Asumesi Onya vote say President Akufo-Addo consistently Adinkrah because President Akufo-Addo in 2008 Onya 49.something% over the years he increased it to even make the point that 2012 kind ABI Intina President Akufo-Addo intina be the president intina yedene buy President Akufo the first term in 96 according to him and also by 4 months spent on the election 4 months he did exceedingly well intina then by 2000 very near but as soon as the modern buy baby or the eco drain we don't need to bring back Kwame obviously you are campaigning and this is a flaw this is complete and a complete disregard for party directive. I expect Justin Koduamone and the key actors within the party to take a decision on this. Well, it's a complete disregard.
They can't.
Unfortunately, they can't.
Yeah.
It is a because we have the general secretary calling the candidate president, and then that's on the lighter note. But it seems to suggest that the candidate also is a force.
For King of Kings.
Very well. As a force in the
party. Michelle President,
King of Kings.
King of Kings.
Ubia Mohuada.
Now, what about
one? Father, I don't know the King of Kings. Wouldn't you make a couple of everything and then quit?
I don't know King of Kings. Opa, Chief of Chiefs.
Kwame, let me on this. Lawyer Justin Kodia, say Opeso back as a general secretary. Kwame, this is a test case for him to stamp his feet. Say the party is a money be he has the the fortitude to be able to manage the party. A decision ought to be taken on this.
I think say Kodia can spare his
energy.
Yeah, on Ken. The problem. Look, Senior Kodia acquired a secretary. Anybody or a secretary of party be ultimate control Ken as a Wokui.
That's unfortunate.
And it's very unfortunate, but it's a strategy that will only work for Ken. Other candidates, some case more go this tandem, they are going to have, very, very strong challenges. Because one thing is
okay, say Tama engineer Kwame Japan ban also can be. Say he has heard key members of the party, and this was in reference to Dr. Bumia. A disclosure, portions
information from the so-called secret copious quotations from those so-called secret seminar.
Exactly.
But how do they get it? You are spoken all of the seasoned speakers in my party now. Go on to call Timubia. Maybe I go to my boamuja. But let's this is it. I never acquire everything me a containing Ken Pa right now. For even Brian Munya. They should take him boot for boot. First, number of a vice president. Not to me, maybe because they were a vice president. This time, he's no longer a vice president. He's a former vice president. He's a career politician, full and full. That statement is most of them are not factual. Kufo failed how many times? Once. 96 maybe. Kufo Angaza or Cecilia failed how many times? 2 or 3 times.
But here, so in here, honorable Ken
or the mass votes, number of votes.
And then he gave reasons.
Reasons.
So he was, try to catch him say, okay, the NTA into me for Bomia, because President Kufo, Enya. Percentage BBC and Tina
building on
Nanado first one on your percentage and
building on
exactly but don't have votes
is unprecedented low
exactly
I get that was factual but the no yet to me it doesn't always work that way because fact is a man who knows how do we know I'm not so sure say a Kufuor person and onya percentage in 1996. I don't want to believe say a Kufuor the person and onya vote now in 2008 and then 2012. And I don't want to accept say Baumia person and Oma MPP for recorded this number of votes in the 2024 election. That one is not up to me to defend. It's up to Kazen Baumia's camp to also come back because the man I'm working Baumia campaign in the last 4 years. No, Kwame, especially from opposition, some allegations of opposition try to Baumia Sunano. Oma had Baumia Campana said that Mabontain to fight those allegations, no, whether true or not true. And Omuja and the good systems are so a lot of it, whether true or not, people bought it as true. So this time